Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is so exciting. I'm going to Paris for the first time ever with a stranger. I know that sounds absolutely ridiculous. So I'm basically going to Paris with a girl named Jasmine, who I've only met once for literally like 6 hours. We went to a Dunelm event together. We really hit it off. We got a bit tipsy. She was ending up going to Paris in like a month or two, and she's like, do you want to come with me? And I was like, yeah, okay. I mean, those sort of things that you do when you're drunk and tipsy. And then in the morning, I was thinking, I don't know if like she'll actually like go through with it. I mean, fair enough if she doesn't. We were just drunk. But lo and behold, I got that text and she was like, so do you actually want to come? And I was like, yes, I do. Get me on that Eurostar. We're basically just going to do like an Emily in Paris scenario. 48 hours around Paris, hitting all of the hot spots, taking all of the pictures. I've literally packed so lightly. I've brought my little YSL that I love so much, and then I've brought my Louis, I don't know if you can see. I've tried to pack cleverly and just bring like 2 t-shirts, 1 pair of jeans, but you know, as a woman, I'd be overpacking. My train is at 10:10. I'm here early. I'm gonna walk over to the station, buy my ticket, grab myself a Starbucks, and then I'm gonna sit on the train, do some editing, meet Jasmine at St Pancras to get the Eurostar, and then we've got about 2 to 3 hours on the Eurostar. I want to try to not think too much about the fact that we're underwater. Anyway, let's go to Paris. This is Jasmine.
Hello.
This is my stranger friend. So we got here about a couple of hours ago? Yeah. A couple of hours ago. The Eurostar was amazing. Didn't even realise that we were on it for that long. Got loads of work done.
We underground?
So I get really anxious, and we were literally only under the channel for literally 13 minutes. Blinked, it was done. Amazing. And then we got to our hotel. We had a little wander. We got some, wasn't it a croissant, what was it? Brioche? Brioche. Chocolate brioche. So nice. And then we got to our hotel, which was gorgeous. Very cute little room, nice views, and just everything that we needed, really, isn't it?
It's been a good start to the trip.
Good start. And then now we're just walking through the streets of Paris with all of the like, it is so cute. We just had a little drink as well. We wanted to go to like Chanel and Louis and all those shops today because we want some sunglasses, but they're all closing in like 10 minutes. So we're gonna go tomorrow instead. So we're just gonna have a walk around and we'll see all the hot spots for the night. And then I really wanna see the Eiffel Tower at night time with all the sparkles, because I've never seen that before and it looks so good. Oh my God. These are so amazing. Is that a tomato? Oh my, I bet they taste amazing as well. Gorgeous. Why is it all so gorgeous? That's a joke, come on.
I would give it perhaps.
Whoever lives there has to be famous. Unless it's a shop.
No.
That's someone's house, isn't it? That is stunning. Guys, I'm obsessed with France. Everyone in Paris is stunning, cool, most cool outfits. To be fair, that was quite annoying.
Yeah, that was
Me and Jasmine were saying, oh my God, we just love France. Oh my God, Paris, everything's amazing, even the police sirens aren't annoying. That was actually quite annoying. That was a little bit annoying. Look at these people up here in this building. Yeah, it looks like a gig, doesn't it? Look at the people up in here. Can you see them? I want to be up there. How do we get in there? Oh look, it's a festival. Oh my God, look what's in the distance. It's probably another like 40-minute walk, right? It looks so close. So we're currently at the Louvre, well, the Museum of the Louvre, which There's no glass triangle. Where's the glass triangle?
It's through there. This way.
I don't know where it is.
Be patient.
Look at this background.
I feel like I need to perform some sort of ballet.
She was a ballerina back in the day. Go on, give us a little two-step.
What was it when I got too excited?
She's like, I love Paris. Yes, I did a jump. But honestly, it's like 10 out of 10. I've only been here for about 4 hours and I keep saying I want to come again. I can't wait.
You're about to take it in.
Oh, look at the glass. Okay, we're going to turn you around. Oh my God. No, this isn't real. Oh my God. I think this is the most perfect way you could ever look at it. That's what people do. We need to do that one.
A little point on the,
Yeah, look, he's doing a little point. Okay, so we're on some bridge, not sure. There's loads of boats in the river, and then look at her. Look how beautiful. By the time we walk over there, I reckon the sun will have properly set, and it'll be like twinkling like it always does. And then hopefully we can get some food. We made it. Here she is in all her beauty. Here she goes. The 17,000 steps were worth it. It's just a chocolate cake. Looks like mousse. Oh, it's not. Chocolate cake, vanilla ice cream. That looks like really vanilla-y as well, the pods. Green tea from Morocco. Jasmine's got the cutest little glass of red.
So small.
Ching ching. Morning guys. So second day in Paris. We've just woken up. It's actually quite late. Us going out. It's probably like, it's 12:15, but that's fine. We've just stopped off at a bakery. I don't know what you call them. They're all called the same thing. Let me see if we can see. They're called boulangerie, patisserie, and this one looks amazing inside. I don't think I showed you properly, but they've got so many amazing cakes. Like, can you see? Oh, this tiny miniature chocolate eclair, and then inside here I've got a strawberry tart, which looks so fresh. I'm gonna have to open it. This is my strawberry tart.
Yeah.
Looks amazing. It's nice and cool and fresh as well. And then I got a Lipton iced peach tea, which I want to taste that because I've never had this before. Very tasty.
Gonna do some shopping.
Gonna have my little. Oh, I feel like I need to take an Instagram picture of everything.
Good to know. Yeah, I was thinking like maybe like a sunglasses or a cute little handbag.
Oh my god.
I'm putting a you.
It was incredible.
Yeah,
Actually incredible. Look at this.
so beautiful.
Honestly. We're gonna have to see what time the shop's shut because I want to grab maybe like a couple of pieces before we go back.
Yeah.
So that I can give to Rob and stuff.
Wine, some like a thing of macarons. The ones in there look so nice. I was like, I can't carry them around in this view when we're going shopping.
And strawberries are so fresh. Oh my god, the base is so good. Oh my god, this is incredible. Oh my god. If you ever come to Paris, near, what is it, Champs-Élysées? The street where you shop till you drop, you need to come to this place. It's so good for pastries, morning pastries. Actually, I had sandwiches and everything in there, didn't they? I bet everything's good. Here she is, Arc de Triomphe. Loads of people. I think we're on the bit that's like the Oxford Street of Paris. It's called Champs-Élysées, I think. I'll obviously not pronounce that very well at all. Champs-Élysées or something like that. So happy. Got some sunnies. Oh wait, I need to see what way I'm going. Me and Jasmine have split up because she wants to go to Chanel and I want to go to Saint Laurent. Only got a couple of hours left. I'm so sad, but also I'm really excited because I know full well that I'm going to come back. I'm going to bring Rob back with me. And honestly, it is like this just city of love. You know, the cliche stuff that you hear in films all the time, but it actually is. So definitely coming back with Rob, gonna do it like really romantically, have lovely outfits, go for drinks, restaurants on the river in a boat, and do the proper tourist stuff. I'm gonna like buy all the tickets to go up all of the touristy bits because Rob loves that as well. And yeah, I'm definitely coming back. I would actually probably come back like once a year, I'm not even gonna lie, and that's not me. I'm not someone that goes back to the same place unless I love it, so that's saying a lot. I really think it's so beautiful and clean, and everyone takes really good care of it. I've had a couple of comments, because I said this on my Instagram, a couple of comments of people saying like total opposite to what I think. I think it's really dirty and like, I don't know, rats chasing rabbits or something near the Eiffel Tower. I don't know, but we've not had that experience. I've really loved it so far. 100% would recommend and would come back. So now I'm on the way to YSL because, if you know, I've been going on about this bag for so long, and I've kind of not been able to justify buying it. And in Paris, usually it's a little bit cheaper than in the UK anyway, and then on top you get like a 10 to 12% tax refund back, so you're basically getting like a 10% discount as well, which is crazy for designer stuff. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go have a look. If it's gonna work out that way, I'm just gonna treat myself because I work really hard and I deserve it, and I'm in Paris. There's no excuse. So, guess who just got her handbag? So happy with my handbag, literally couldn't be happier. Although when he said to me to pay, it sounded a lot more because of the euros, the conversion, it sounded so much more in my head, and I was like, oh no, am I paying more overall? But I don't think I was. I think it's all good. Now trying to find Jasmine. She said she's at a cute little restaurant, which I think it might be this thing on the corner. So, gonna go get some food. We haven't eaten in like 2 full days. I've not had a proper meal. It's all been like croissants and cake and stuff. I still need to get a crepe as well. I'm desperate to get a crepe, but we'll see what we can get to find to eat. So it's the last half an hour of the trip, and I feel like I've been taken for an absolute fool because I've just spent 15 euros on like 4 pastries and another 13 euros on about 12 olives and some bread. Like some really nice kind of hard crusty bread things that I think would be amazing with pate or hummus or something or other. And I was just looking at the guy type the number in, and I was like, he's literally just looked at me and thought, what a sucker, she's not going to say anything. And I didn't say anything. Taken for a sucker. Anyway, we're going to go back to the hotel room now and pick up our stuff, head back to the Eurostar. Going to fill out our forms to get the tax back on the items that we bought. I'll let you know if they end up going through. Fingers crossed they do. And then we're going to get on the Eurostar. It's a late one, 8:30 train. Not getting into London till 9:30. It's about a 3-hour journey, but because of the time difference, I think we basically go back in time, which is great. So we save some time. And then I've got to get on a train up to Peterborough and then drive back to my mum and dad. So I'm not going to get into bed till about midnight, but it'll all be worth it. It's been worth it. It's a great trip. So yeah, anyway, it was amazing. If you're ever considering coming to Paris, I swear you don't need to think twice. Like, please get it booked. The Eurostar was amazing. If you're someone that worries about flying as well, it was like you just blink and it's done, and it's really gorgeous views. You get to see everything, which is amazing. The whole city itself is just wonderful, so highly recommend coming. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.